Unlock Amazon's earning secrets. Watch all the way through, only takes a minute, and the last one is one of my favorites. Want to turn your Amazon browsing into a money-making machine? You're in the right place. Share products you love and earn commissions. Simply sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Create engaging content like reviews or tutorials. Include your unique affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. Got a great idea? Amazon is your marketplace. Create your own brand and list your products. Focus on quality products and excellent customer service. Use Amazon's fulfillment services, FBA, to handle shipping and storage. Write a book and self-publish on Kindle. It's easier than you think. Market your book through social media and Amazon ads. Earn royalties on every sale. Ready to start earning? Don't wait. Your financial freedom awaits. Please like and subscribe for more videos and to help our channel grow. Also comment down below with any questions or suggestions. Thank you.